Hello everyone. Now today we will take now statistics, right? So many days before so many days we have started chapter number 2, that is linear correlation. So let's revise first of all that chapter. That what is the meaning of correlation? Now if there are simultaneous change Simultaneous change in the value of variables due to direct or indirect cause and effect relationship between them. Now, what is cause and effect relationship? Now, cause means the reason and effect means result. Means let's take example that sales and profit. Ki if sales increases, profit is also increases, and if sales decreases, profit is also decreases. So this can be called cause and effect relationship, that sales become cause and profit becomes result. So if there are simultaneous changes in the values of variable due to cause and effect relationship, so it can be said that there is a correlation between two variable, right? Okay. Now there are two types of correlation: positive correlation and negative correlation. Now if a value changes, if the variable changes in the same direction, then we can say that there is positive correlation, and if value changes in opposite direction, then we can say that that is negative correlation. ये मैंने डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो वो वाला वीडियो देख लेना समझने के लिए. And if there is lack of cause and effect relation, then we can say that there is no correlation. Now there are three methods for the calculating correlation: scatter diagram, Karl-Pearson and Spearman's rank correlation. Scatter diagram is not to be asked in the exam. Karl-Pearson, this is the most important method, इसके 5 मार्क के सम आते हैं. And Spearman's rank correlation, 3 mark sum that will come in the exam, right? Okay. Now another name of Karl-Pearson's method, that is product moment method. Now correlation V denoted by small r, this is small r. So answer or value lies between -1 to 0 1 of correlation. मतलब आंसर हमारा -1 to 0 1 में आना चाहिए. Now if our answer does not come in between -1 and +1, then there must be some mistake in our sum. Now Karl-Pearson's product moment method has so many formulas. So many means 3 to 4 formulas are there. Now this is the first formula: r is equals to covariance of xy upon sx into sy. This formula is only and only for the short sums. इसको ये कोवेरियंस xy कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ एस एक्स कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ वाई एस वाई कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, ये इसकी ये फॉर्मूला है. If directly Sx and Sy is not given, in that case we apply these formulas, right? Okay. Now the next important method, that x minus x bar y minus y bar upon square root of sigma x minus x bar whole square multiply by square root of sigma y minus y bar whole square. Now this formula is we apply when we have x bar and y bar of exact value, right? In this method we have to first of all calculate x bar and y bar. If x bar and y bar comes exact value, then we apply this formula. Then the second method is n r is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square square root of n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Now we apply this formula when x bar and y bar is in fraction or in decimal, right? And this is the now shortcut formula. Now now when we apply this formula, see, note I have given: when values of x or y are very large or in fraction, or prefer shortcut method if nothing is specified. Mostly mostly students prefer this formula only because this is a shortcut method and this is an easy method. इसमें वर्किंग बहुत ही कम हो जाता है. सो दिस फार्मूला एन सिग्मा यू वी माइनस सिग्मा यू वी इंटू सिग्मा वी अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एन सिग्मा यू स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा यू होल स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एन सिग्मा वी स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा वी होल स्क्वायर. Now we here u and v that will not given in the sum, that we have to find out. So formula of u, formula of v, this we explain, this I explain when we solve this method, right? All these things I have already explained in detail, so revise that video. This is only just a revision. So now let's move on to the sum, that exercise 2.2 sum number 4. Now one I have explained and solved. 2 and 3 both are I have given in homework. Now sum number 4, that to check the ability of mathematics and logic of students of a city, a private educational institution gives 20 puzzles based on these two subjects to 6 children selected from various schools. The number of puzzles solved by them is given below. These data are given. Compute correlation coefficient between performance of children in two types of puzzles using the given data. Correlation coefficient, that means small r. Now first of all we write down this data and then first of all we find out x bar and y bar. Now see, x I have written, y I have written, total 58, 61. Now x bar and y bar that I have solved and find out. X bar 9.67, y bar 10.617. So this comes in decimal values, right? So here we apply formula of xy. Now first of all we write down the formula. Now see, formula I have written, that n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. ये इंटू है, ये into n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Now we solve working according to the formula only. First of all we find out xy, then after we find out x square and then after we find out y square. बस इसमें इतना ही है और कुछ है नहीं. ये sigma x and sigma y, that means this only, this is sigma x, this is sigma y, right? Now see, I have find out according to the formula. First of all find out xy. Xy means multiplication of these two. X square means square of this x, y square means square of this y, right? ये कैलकुलेशन करके मैंने टोटल भी लिख दिया है. This is an easy working. Now let's put up this into the formula. Now n means what? N is left. N means number of data, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 data. So 6 into n sigma xy कितना है? ये 598. 598. सिग्मा x कितना है? ये 58. 58 इंटू 61 सिग्मा y, ये सिग्मा y, राइट, अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 6 इंटू सिग्मा x स्क्वेयर, ये रहा 574, राइट, माइनस सिग्मा x होल स्क्वेयर, ये रहा सिग्मा x, ये 58 whole square. Now second square root 6 into sigma y square, ये 711 minus sigma y whole square, ये 61 whole square, right? now अभी इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे, इसका स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई, फिर सब में से सब्सट्रैक्ट करके फाइंड आउट करेंगे, राइट? चलो, ये 598 इंटू 6 कम्स 3588 minus this comes multiplication of these two comes 3538 upon square root of multiplication of these two 3444 minus 58 square comes 3364. अभी ये y का multiplication of these two 4266 minus 61 whole square comes 3721, right? Okay, इसका subtraction 3588 minus 3538 comes 50. ये इन दोनों का subtraction स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 80 इंटू इन दोनों का subtraction 545, राइट ना 50 अपॉन इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 548 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 80 कम्स 43600, राइट. ओके, सो 50 अपॉन इसको हम स्क्वायर रूट निकाल दे कैलकुलेटर में 43600 को उसमें स्क्वायर रूट में डाल दे तो आ जाएगा 208.81, राइट. अब इसको डिवाइड करें तो आ जाएगा 0.24. सो आर इज इक्वल्स टू 0.24. दैट इज अवर आंसर. इसके नीचे आप स्टेटमेंट लिख देंगे दैट correlation coefficient between performance of children in two types of subjects obtained is 0.24 and positive correlation. There is positive correlation between performance of children in two subjects, right? इस तरह से भी लिख ही सकते हैं. So this is how we can calculate and apply formula of xy. This is an easy method, राइट. ये फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से ही जाना है. आप तीनों में से कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर ही सकते हैं, बस आपको यही देखना है कि वर्किंग ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो जाए. नाउ सम नंबर 4 दैट वी हैव डन सॉल्व. सो सम नंबर 4 इन दैट सी x bar comes 15.71 and y bar comes 9.14. So this is decimal value, so we apply this xy method only. Sum number 6 in that x bar comes 6 and y bar 8 exact value, so we apply that first method x minus x bar y minus y bar. So 5 and 6 these two sums are in homework, right? So today that's all for this. So we'll meet in the next video, right? Okay.